Get this amazing reward for free today. All you need to do, just like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure guys you check UFO187 English Masterclass for more interesting content and more interesting guides. Just open your Discord today like me and move here to discover, move here to quests, scroll here down and you will see claim V2 quest reward. Play as Endless Zone for 15 minutes and win V2 quest reward. Just go here accept quest, click on it, select platform to get started, choose here quest on desktop. If you don't have game, go on these vertical dots and you will see here get game, click on it. After that you will see this on your browser. Just download game and play for 15 minutes and make sure your Discord client is open and get this cool reward in the Endless Zone quest reward pack. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get cool Discord reward, Endless Zone quest reward. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.